Namaste, Sincha everyone. What's up guys? I hope everyone is good and well. Welcome to Yoga with Payal. I am Master Payal and today we are going to do beginner yoga. First of all, we will do 3 times Om chanting. Put your both hand in your Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes, back straight. Take deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to start 3 times Om chanting. Take a deep inhale. Rub your palm gently. Put a palm on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palm. Namaste once again. Now put your both hands on your knees. Look up, inhale. Down, exhale. Up, inhale. Down, exhale. Now put your neck on your center. Inhale. Exhale, look at on your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale on your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale on your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale on your left side. Come back, inhale. Now put your both hand arms up. Inhale, spine straight, look up. Exhale, put your hands down. Inhale, slowly again put your hands up. Try to look at your thumb. Exhale, put your hands down. Inhale, put your hands up. Interlock your hand. Now try to look up. Hold the position, spine straight. Hold here at least 5 to 10 seconds. Exhale, put your hands down. Put your both hands on your shoulder level, inhale. Exhale, drop your right hand on your side of your right side and left hand up. Come back, inhale, center. Exhale, another side. Come back, inhale on your center. Exhale, another side and then hold the position here. Now you can do 3 times, 4 times and then you have to hold the position. And then you have to take gently breathe also. Now slowly come back on the center position, inhale. Exhale on your another side. Again hold the position. While holding you have to take breathe also. Inhale and exhale both. Come back on your center, inhale. Put your hands up, interlock your hands, spine straight, look up, inhale. Exhale, twist your body. Drop your right hand on your left knees and then spine straight, try to look at your left shoulder. Inhale, put your hands up, interlock your hand, look up. Exhale, do with another side. Come back, inhale, put your hands up, interlock your hand, spine straight, hold your position here. Now slowly exhale, twist your body and then look at your shoulder. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Put your hands up. Look up. Interlock your hand. Hold the position here. Spine straight. Exhale. Do it another side. And then again spine straight. Look at your shoulder. Stretch your body. Come back. Inhale, hand on your shoulder level, exhale down. Turn your body on your side and then knee straight, shake your leg. Bend your both leg. Put your both hands, arm up. Inhale, look up. Drop your right hand. Exhale, hips up, arch back. Roll your spine. Come back, hips down. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Hands straight, spine straight. Inhale, put your hands up. Drop your left hand and then slowly arch your back. Exhale. Come back, hips down. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Drop your right hand, arch back, roll your spine. Exhale, go back as much as you can and then hold your position here. Try to hold for 5 seconds. Come back, inhale, raise your both hand, arm up. Spine straight, go forward. Exhale, lengthen your spine. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who are not having back pain, they can go forward as much as you can. Try to do spine straight. Don't hunch your back. Inhale, hand up. Exhale, again do with another side. Arch your back. Always try to do both sides. Don't practice one side. Come back, hips down. Inhale, both hand, arm up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Go forward as much as you can. Don't hunch your back. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Now cross your leg, exhale. Now try to join your both feet together and then grab your feet, interlock your hand. Now we will do butterfly. Jerk your leg. Now slowly exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Go forward as much as you can, don't hunch your back. Now come back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go forward, slowly go forward, lengthen your spine. Again, inhale, come back. Put your both hand, arm up. Spine straight, look up. Exhale, slowly go forward, don't hunch your back. Spine straight, go down gently, drop your hand. Go forward, lengthen your spine, spine straight. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Now slowly lift your hand, arm up. Exhale, hands down. Now bend your right knees and then left leg should be straight in a Janu Sirasana pose. Put your both hand, arm up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly go forward. Your left leg, feet should be stretched, toes pointed towards your sky. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Exhale, one more time, go forward, lengthen your spine, go down, interlock your hand and grab your feet properly. Spine straight, don't hunch your back. Those who are having back pain or those who are beginner, they can grab your toes, hands should be straight, look up. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Now drop your left hand on your right leg of your knees. Slowly go down as much as you can. Beginner, they can look up and hands should be up straight. Those who are advanced practitioner or intermediate, they can grab your feet and look up. Twist your body. Inhale, put your hand, arm up. Now slowly drop your right hand on your back side of your hips. Slowly arch back, lift your hips up, exhale. Go back as much as you can and then hold the position here. Come back, hips down. Inhale, put your hands, arm up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine, hands straight, spine straight. Your feet should be flat, don't hunch back. Inhale, come back. Now join your both feet together. You have to do with your another side. Now the time is less, so I am not doing with another side. Put your both hand, arm up. Inhale, join your both feet together. Feet pointed towards your sky. Grab your toes. Beginner, they can look up. Back pain, look up. Those who are having advanced practitioner, they can grab your feet properly. Drop your elbow on your mat. Exhale, go forward. My cat is roaming here and there. My lovely cat. Put your hands up, inhale, exhale, hands down. Cross your both legs, drop your hand, come back to cat and cow. Now we will do cat and cow pose. My cat is here. So look at my cat and you have to do same like cat pose. Now your leg position should be 90 degree and hand position should be 90 degree. Look up, inhale, arch your back. Exhale, hunchback, look down. Try to look at your navel. Inhale, look up, arch back, not hunchback. Now you have to do hunchback, exhale. Inhale, arch your back, look up, lift your chin up, chest up, hold the position here. Now keep smile on your face. Slowly, exhale, hunch your back. Those who are having neck pain or cervical pain, they can look down. Don't look at your navel. Now turn your body on another side of your mat. Now put your right leg straight and left leg should be down. Knees should be drop your mat. Now your knees and heels should be in the same position. Your left leg should be in a 90 degree. Right leg, feet should be stretched. Hand should be up, inhale. Now drop your left hand on your side of your mat. Exhale. Right hand up, hands touch to your ears. Look up, stretch your side muscles. Hold the position. Come back. Inhale, put your hands arm up. Drop your right hand on your right leg. Beginner, don't go down too much. Now, intermediate and advanced practitioner, they can go down. Exhale. Inhale, come back up. Now, drop your feet on the floor. Drop your left hand on your left leg of your feet. Arch your back, exhale. Hands touch to your ears. Look at your hand. Come back, inhale. Put your both hand arms up. Those who are having back pain or beginner level, they can drop your hand on your waist and arch your back. Come back, put your hands up, inhale. Slowly turn your body on your right side. Drop your both hand. Exhale, go forward. Back pain, they can look up. Those who are not having back pain, go forward as much as you can. Flat your back. Inhale, put your hands arm up. Now, hands down. Exhale, drop your left hand on your right leg. Grab your ankle and then raise your right hand up. Now come back, drop your both hand on your mat. Join your both knees together. Now you have to do with your another side. The time is less, that's why I am doing only one side. You have to practice both the side. Namaste. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video. See all of you again in my next video. Take care, stay fit and healthy.